I'm pretty cold right now. I should probably be wearing gloves. How deep is the snow right now? Right now, today, tell me, how deep is it? Let's stick our finger in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's that deep. So we're talking 3 to 4 inches. So, oh my gosh. Oh, my nose. So we're dealing with 3 to 4 inches of snow right here. Let's do it. Woo. Oh, it's cold. Very cold. Oh, BikeBlogger here. I can feel my back wheel slipping, kind of fishtailing. All right, so what is a blizzard? Came out here even though the office is closed and I don't need to go to the office, but I wanted to talk about blizzards. Whew. So technically this is not a blizzard. A blizzard has 3 criteria. Whew. Slippery, slippery. Number 1, sustained winds of 35 miles per hour. And the winds are only gusting to about 28. Whoa, we're slipping real good here. Probably need to slow it down a little. Really slippery. Oh my gosh, crazy slippery. All right, so making a turn here. Okay. Basically, I'm not stopping because stopping causes problems. Stopping causes me to slip all over the place. Whew. Okay, not so bad right here. Whew. So the snow is only about, I don't know, an inch or so deep, at least right here. There's a car behind me in there. Okay, nice. Whew. Yeah, people should probably not be out right now, but to be honest, this is not that bad if you live in like the northeast of the country. I mean, this is like, normal. It's not normal around here though. So I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Whew. I'm gonna walk the bike here for a second. So we can take a look at the freeway. Whew. It is cold. So yeah, number 1 is 35 mile per hour sustained winds. That's not what we got going on here. Number 2, visibility. A blizzard has visibility of a 1/4 mile or less. The visibility today, right now, oh, this is deep, is about 1 mile. So, whew, you can see there, visibility isn't great on the highway, but people are definitely getting about and they're going pretty quick. So it's actually not that bad, or at least they've been plowing the streets pretty well. And number 3 criteria for blizzards is the condition has to last for 3 hours or more. So you have to have low visibility and sustained winds of 35 miles per hour or greater for 3 hours straight or greater. Whew. Oh my gosh. People even just gave up plowing their sidewalks. Looks like I'm the only one. Actually, I'm walking on the grass. I'm actually walking on their front lawn, aren't I? Or no, maybe not. I can't even tell. I think I'm in the street right now, actually. Oh my gosh. So I'm actually not that cold, except for my hands. But that's because I took a while putting my gloves on because I was getting the cameras going. So I'm actually walking in the street, which is probably what you got to kind of do under these circumstances. What I love about the snow, though, like this, is that the roads do tend to be a little quieter, which is good because if you're slipping around like this, oh, that's a bad thing. Have an accident. Whew. So I do not have a snow or a fat bike, so I can't really float over any of the snow. Snow changes a lot too, so that it may not even be all that helpful right now. Snow's pretty wet and slippery. I got studded tires, but Oh boy, I can feel like I'm gonna fall right here. Let's not jinx it though. Studded tires can help in the ice, but if they can't get through the snow and bite on the ground, it's no good. So the moral of the story here is just go slow. If you don't go too fast, you'll probably be okay. It's kind of surprising. It's actually plowed a little better over here, but that's probably just because the snow plow came by most recently over here. Oh man, it's cold. Whew. Oh. Primarily my fingers are cold right now. I have glove liners, but I'm not using them. Oh, it's cold. Oh, dang. Temperature is 7 Fahrenheit. That means it's like, I don't know, negative 14 Celsius. And the wind chill is like negative 25 Celsius. Or negative 14. Do I got that right? Fahrenheit? I don't know. It's very cold. It's in the negatives, whether you're Fahrenheit or Celsius basically right now. And it's snowing a lot. We're to get, I think, 6 to 10 inches of snow here today. So we're talking like 20 centimeters. And another 1 to 3 inches tomorrow, another 1 to 3 inches the next day. So all told, we'll probably get about 30 centimeters or a foot of snow. So it's definitely a snowy winter. I'm sorry, I did jinx it though, right? I said, oh, I didn't think it was ever gonna snow this year. And then, you know, lo and behold, it snows like crazy. Oh, I'm pushing my way through the snow here. All right, here we go. Got to the road. Oh man, this road is not plowed like at all. I don't know about this. I'm gonna get off my bike. I mean, I guess I could try. Let's give it a shot, but I don't really have any plowed. Oh my gosh. I'm having trouble staying on my bike. So I got it's snowy. Did I tell you it's snowy? I'm gonna go to the sidewalk here. It's I got 30 millimeter wide tires, so they can cut through the snow a little bit, but when it's a little thick like this, it's pretty difficult. I mean, like there goes like a Jeep, but I mean, he's got big old tires. Whew, dang! Ah, my thumb is really cold right now. All right, so we're gonna follow that guy, or that's the intention, but we'll see if we can do this or not. Let's give it a shot. I'm not on a hill right now. Let's get into the undisturbed snow. That might be our best shot. Because when you're riding in a track, it can help, but when the snow is really deep, but when it's not the worst thing in the world, to just take it to the, okay, here we go. If I can keep a line, I can keep going here. Whew. Oh man, I have a little toe overlap there. I hit the fender with my shoe. Up the hill. I'm actually going up a hill. That's making it a little more difficult. Whew. All right. This is a one-way street, actually. I was gonna make a left here, but that's not happening. Okay. I wish there weren't all these parked cars on the street. I mean, honestly, I guess these people don't have a garage or a driveway, but the snowplow can't get through this. So the street's not gonna get plowed because nobody decided to get off the street with their parked cars. Up the hill. It's not a very steep hill either. It's just much harder going through the snow. Yeah, we're doing it, BikeBlogger. We're doing it. Now this is a steeper hill, and it's just covered in snow. So I think we're gonna have to hoof this one. Whew. So yeah, what is a blizzard? 35 mile per hour winds, low visibility and sustained conditions like that for 3 hours and more. So you wouldn't call this a blizzard, even though a blizzard doesn't really have a temperature range. This is much colder than the BikeBloggers used to. Whew. Thumbs up to you people who live in the north. Have to deal with this a lot. I don't deal with it so much. Up the hill. All right, once we level out here after the intersection, let's run a little bit. Should be able to get back on my bike. Whew. It's just that they didn't plow this road at all. This road is completely unplowed. And my sock is like coming down. Ugh. Oh, man. Trying to get started here. Okay. I think some of this road is actually cobblestone, which is kind of goofy. Oh my gosh. Whew. You didn't come here to watch me walk my bike though, right? So we're gonna try to ride it here. I just need to find a spot where I can get started. I don't know why my sock keeps coming down. It's covered in snow. Yeah. Actually, my fingers are warming up now. Okay, I need to get a good push off here with the pedal to get started. Here we go. Here we go. I just had to get started, that's all. Whew. All right. I'm trying not to run into any of the parked cars. It's just, they're all over the road. Ugh. I guess these people ain't going nowhere for a while, because it's another problem with parking your car on the road is you'll get snowed in. You have to dig your car out if you want to go anywhere. Oh my gosh, this is some good exercise. That's an alleyway that way. Doesn't even look like an alleyway, it's just a bunch of snow. Okay, I keep saying to myself, hey, this is it. This is the spot where we can move on. I think once we get into a more urban area, like not this residential area, maybe the streets will be plowed, because these streets are not plowed, and that's why I'm having trouble on a regular bike. If I had a fat bike, I might be doing a little better here. Problem is I keep wiggling my tire, and that's making things more difficult. Bump my fender. I'm trying to avoid the edges of the street because I don't know what's over there. I don't know if there's like a storm ditch or something. Nobody behind me. I'm the only crazy guy out here now. Oh my. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's so cold. So let's do some tips. Let's do some bike tips. How am I staying warm? So I can pull this over my face. Oh, like that, or at least bring it up a little bit. On my face. Okay, it's actually plowed or something over here, just a little bit. Problem is, because the temperature is so cold, if I put the this face mask thingy over my face, the warm breath of my air, or my warm breath, would actually freeze, and actually this thing would be like frozen in my face and my skin. It's that cold. Especially if I stay out too long. Alright, here comes a Okay, I thought I heard a car, but no. Okay. Alright. So here we go. I mean, what the heck? I mean, these roads are barely plowed. I guess there's not much point, because, you know, it's still snowing actively. If they just came and plowed it, it wouldn't really matter, because it'd still be coming down. Oh, and getting deeper. Okay, so here we go. I'm in undisturbed snow. I'm actually getting a little speed going here. Oh yeah, I think I have the speedometer on the screen, but I must be hitting like 3 or 4 miles per hour. Going kind of slow. Slow. Good exercise though. Whew. Oh. Whew. Cold. Did I mention it's cold? It's kind of cold. Okay. Oh, we love turning on the BikeBlogger show. Okay. Whew. Okay, I don't know who we're waiting for here. Okay, looks like we'll let those guys over there go first. I'm gonna follow behind that sedan there. I just don't want to get in front of him because I'm gonna be weaving all over the place. Let him go. Is that Jeep turning left? No, he's going that way. Okay. Oh, there's a guy stranded over there. I didn't even notice that. Guy in the SUV. Visibility sure don't look so good, does it? So maybe the visibility is actually going down right now. Okay, if I be very careful, just take some good technique, make a straight line here and stay inside the car tracks. So that guy just went by earlier, the sedan. Yeah, I don't know if the visibility is really going down. Then we're almost at blizzard conditions. We just need the strong winds. But that's a big part of a blizzard, you know, strong winds. You get the strong winds, you get extra wind chill, and yeah, it gets extra bad. So fortunately, we're not doing that. And I would actually probably recommend most people to avoid riding their bike in a blizzard. Okay, I think I have a little more control when I'm not going too fast. However, I need to be sustaining a certain speed. I'm not sure what that is right now. It might be like 5 miles per hour. Man, that guy's going fast. He just went past me. It might be about 5 miles per hour. If I go too slow, I get caught up in the snow. If I go too fast, I also get caught up in the snow. And if I turn my wheel in any direction, pretty much, I lose control. So I gotta ride this bike like it's a stationary bike, pretty much. Keep things very loose, but very tight. So see, we're going here pretty good. It's so much harder to go uphill in these conditions though, because your weight gets misbalanced all over the place when especially if you climb out of the saddle. You should not be taking your butt out of the saddle when it's this bad. Which is why I kind of recommend an e-bike, because an e-bike can actually do pretty good in the snow. Either that or get some fat tires and get some low air pressures, try to float above it. But again, it really depends on the type of snow you're dealing with, because snow comes in all sorts of variations and it can change by the hour. So that's the thing. You could have like the perfect tool, the perfect bike for the job, you know, in the morning, and then come the evening when you're bike commuting home, it may not so much be the perfect tool anymore. Especially if your city hasn't plowed the streets. You know, then you're just kind of, well, you have to get a ride home with a friend, or take a light rail, or maybe a bus if the bus can get through if anybody can get on the roads, or you hoof it. Have some good snow boots with you. Just walk. All right, we're doing okay right now. We're doing pretty good, but I'm going downhill slightly, and that is helping tremendously because I'm not really exerting myself and weaving and bobbing all over the bike. I'm just kind of rolling with it, and that actually works right now. But if I were to turn around right now and go the other way, I'm trying to watch these car tracks here because they're cutting across, you know, it's like crossing train tracks, you know. You don't want to cross train tracks at a perpendicular angle so your tires don't get stuck in the rails. That's kind of the same thing with these snow tracks from these cars. I don't want to get stuck in the ruts. Whew. All right, let's go check out the bike trails in the park. The zoo is closed today. It's just too cold for human beings. Okay, I don't know. Is there anyone behind me? Okay, there's a car way behind me. I'm gonna walk across the street. All right. This actually looks pretty good right here. What the heck? Okay, I guess the city decided to plow the park streets, but not the residential streets. I don't know. I think, again, like I said, it really comes down to practicality. If the residents don't want to move their cars off the road, then snowplows just won't be able to get on the road. And that's just kind of how it goes. Wow, look at this. This is so much easier. Because I'm dealing with a 1/4 inch of snow instead of, like an inch of snow. That guy's actually blowing the snow in my face. That's nice. He's blowing it off of the sidewalk. Okay, the trails are done. The trails are done to my right. There's no way I'm getting on the trails. They're too deep in snow. So we'll stick to the roads. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean here. See? The trails are untouched. Trails are untouched there. The bike trails. For now. So the roads actually look pretty doable except for the ice. Except for the ice. Except for the ice. As if ice is like, the easiest part. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to get into the city here a little bit and see how well the city plowed their business districts and stuff. Like I said, my office is closed today, so I'm not actually bike commuting to work. I'm just kind of city cycling, kind of snow biking, blizzard biking. Okay, here we go. We're going uphill now. So I'm kind of losing it. Staying seated, even though I got a single speed bike here. For control purposes. Stay seated. In the upright position. Seated in the upright position. Up. This is so right. So upright. Whew. Oh yeah, this is very doable. Whew. For now, at least. It was just getting here that was difficult. Really, when it's a bad snowstorm, unfortunately your only options are really going to be probably sticking to the main street, the big streets. Because like I was going down those residential streets, they were not plowed at all. Lower priority. So, but like I said, when it's bad out, generally there's less traffic, unless the snowstorm tricks everybody, like they didn't expect it at all. Generally, like today, it's wonderful. I'm dealing with less cars than normal, and I love that. It's just the riding conditions, the driving conditions are much worse. Whew. Everybody's just got to kind of lower lower their confidence a little bit, unfortunately. I think that's what causes most accidents is, whether you're a cyclist or a motorist, everyone just doesn't realize, they think they're much better driver or cyclist than they really are in these sort of conditions. It's like they get ahead of themselves, and that's why accidents mostly happen. A lot of it has to do with speed, but it's also just, you think you can brake faster, you think you can make the turn. One time I was driving a car probably 10 years ago or so, and I was making a turn, like a U-turn, or like I guess kind of like a U-turn, but it was more like a 360-degree turn going down a ramp, kind of like coming off a highway, and I completely spun out. I did like a 180, like something out of a Hollywood movie or something. There's no cars around me, thankfully, but I didn't realize I wasn't even going that fast. I just quickly lost control of the automobile. Let's let this guy go. He thinks he's going somewhere. Whew. And so, yeah. Hey! I don't know what he said. I think he said, "You rock," but he could have been flipping me off. I have no idea, and I don't really care, because I'm the BikeBlogger. I think he said, "You rock." Hey, thanks, guy. You rock, too. I don't know where he's going. But I was going to say, basically, even if there's nice people like that on the road, don't trust nobody. Don't trust nobody. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to get through here, so we're going to have to climb the bike through. Okay, so here, whoa, that's deep. And there go my socks. There go my socks. My socks are completely wet now. Okay, so here's an example of an unplowed street, right? It's relatively flat, so we're gonna try to go through this. But how deep is it? How deep is it? That's a good question. I don't know how deep it is. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I'm pretty cold right now. I should probably be wearing gloves. How deep is the snow right now? Right now, today, tell me, how deep is it? Let's stick our finger in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's that deep. So we're talking 3 to 4 inches. So, oh my gosh. Oh, my nose. So we're dealing with 3 to 4 inches of snow right here. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so we got the update, and we're dealing with 3 to 4 inches of snow here. Let's see if we can ride our bike through 3 or 4 inches of snow. It's important to know what kind of snow we're dealing with. We're dealing with some rather fluffy, rather dry snow. It's not super wet. And we're dealing with undisturbed snow. There are no tire tracks or anything. It's just completely undisturbed. We got a 30 millimeter wide tire with studs on it, running an air pressure pretty high. Air pressure is about 60 psi, so we're probably not getting a lot of studded spike tire action going here. But I don't know really how much ice is actually under the snow. It only takes a little bit, but I don't think there's really much of any. It's mostly snow right now. So we're gonna speed it up. Let's see how fast we can go through the snow. Okay. Okay, how fast are we going? Did we reach 10 miles per hour? Hit it, hit it, hit it. BikeBlogger, how fast are you going? I'm just cranking through here. The snow's getting stuck on the fender. It's slowing me down. Woo! Woo! Okay. All right, how do we do? How do we do? Oh gosh. So cold. So cold. And tiring. Hit it. Hit it. Oh my. Woo. Oh, it's just like constantly battling the snow. Oh my. I don't know, it's like getting harder I think the snow is freezing inside my rain fenders right now. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, there's the trail we made. Oh, we're gonna go a different way though. Whew. Let's go this way. So, more tips when it's this cold outside. Your risk of frostbite is something to take very seriously. Exposed skin. So try to cover up any exposed skin you can. I'm not fully covered up because I fog up my lenses, my sunglasses, but you could use a nose piece or something to try to prevent that. Use anti-fog spray on your lenses. I kind of talked about that in a previous video, but really, you know, do whatever you can to keep your skin covered up. What else is important in the cold weather like this? Be prepared, bring a cell phone with you. What else? Water. Drink water, stay hydrated. That's very important. You may not think about that in the cold. Stay hydrated. It's still just as important as being out in the desert in 120 Fahrenheit degree heat. You know, it's cold. Hydration's still very important. What else? Woo! Oh my gracious. We're doing it. We're doing it. Exhaustion. Okay, so you can try to keep yourself warm. The little grips on my handlebars are slipping off. I don't know. That's because the adhesive is like just coming off or something in this cold weather. Whew. But I was gonna say exhaustion. Oh, dang. I'm sorry if I'm like, you know, making a mess all over myself. There's a temperature differential between the nose and the face. It'd actually be worse if it was all freezing on me. Oh boy, here comes a snowplow. Let's watch him go by. Whew, but exhaustion, very, very important. There he goes. There goes the snowplow. Whew. Let's actually follow the snowplow. Just wait for this guy here. Yeah, see, there goes the snowplow. Okay. All right, here we go. Perfect position to be probably is somewhat behind a snowplow right now. All right, here we go. So this street is not cut off to automobile traffic. The reason why the snow is so bad back there was I was on a street that is closed to cars. So, you know, not even, obviously the snowplow isn't going that way. Trying to keep my distance from the cars just in case one of us wipes out. Whew. Okay. Oh man, which way did the snowplow go? Maybe to the left, I don't know. I think I want to go to the right though, because it looks more, because it looks a little more sketchy. Let's go to the right. Let's go to the right. Oh. Woo-wee. Oh my. So cold. Trying to keep the grips on my handlebars because they're slipping off. Something to do with the cold, it must be. I don't know why they're coming off. I just recently replaced the quick release on the back wheel of my bike. The other video I had it slipping out from me. I replaced it with a Shimano style quick release. And that's a lot better. It will hold on a lot tighter. Get that extra bit of oomph. Woo! There's a car behind me, isn't there? That's okay, you can wait for me. I don't know why he's here. I mean, maybe he's like me. He's out recreationally enjoying the snow. I don't know. Whew. Oh my. Now which way do I go? Right or left? Let's go to the right. Alright, nice and easy. Right, here we go. Oh my. Whew. Alright, yeah, that car went the other way. Oh my gosh. Oh. I apologize if my face looks all nasty. Maybe I'll turn off the the face cam. Ah, ah. Oh. There's a trash can. Hang on. Let me just stop. Blow my nose. I think that would help tremendously. Oh man, the snow is deep here. Whew. Take a break for a second, BikeBlogger. Take a break. So another good idea is to bring some tissues with you, so you can blow your nose occasionally. Oh my. Oh, you can see my collar here is like icing all over. You know, it only does so much. Oh, oh. Let me take a look at this. Oh my, look at that. The trash can is full of snow. The trash can is full of snow. Oh, that's how cold it is. It's full of snow and ice. Oh my. Oh dang. Oh gosh. Oh no, I'm dropping tissues now. Dropping tissues. Okay. Ah. I'm crazy. I'm just as crazy as everyone thinks I am. Everyone driving by thinks I'm probably crazy. I've not actually seen another cyclist, so maybe I am crazy. I was out the other day and I didn't see a single cyclist. I mean, you know, to be fair, I often don't see many cyclists, but I hadn't seen any. Oh, I think I do actually have a little false sense of security with these studded tires though, because I don't know how much these studded tires are really doing anything in the snow. They're not really meant to do anything for the snow. In fact, actually, if you got them pumped up too high, the studded tires can cause you to slip even more because, you know, they're, instead of rubber, they're metal. Ugh. Oh man, snowplow hasn't been through this little section for a little bit. All right. Okay, here we go. We're doing it. We're doing it. Woo-wee. Okay, wow. I feel much better. Thank you for asking. I feel much better right now. Blowing my nose. That'll last for a little while and then I'll have to blow my nose again. Yeah, actually one of my bicycle pedals fell off somewhat recently. My pedal fell off. It was on this bike. And it was because, I don't know, I need to re-lube the pivots on the pedals, you know, where they thread into the crank, because I actually unthreaded it, I think, or something, somehow, on my left pedal, which I think is reverse threaded. Although that shouldn't really matter, I guess, but still, yeah, my pedal came off. I couldn't understand what was going on, because when I was pedaling, I just kept pedaling and it felt like my pedal was kind of like, you know, like it was angled or something. It's like, what's going on? Did I break my pedal? Is it slipping off? And I looked at it, I just eyeballed it, and I couldn't tell that it was actually loose. Not until I got home with my pedal that had fallen off, did I really realize, yeah, it just totally unscrewed. Up. Just a little harder right there. Up. All right, make a left here. Nobody coming. Rawr. Rawr. We're doing it. There we go. Okay, it's a little cool right now. Not so bad. It's a little deep. Upwards of a ½ inch deep here. So yeah, the pedal just completely fell off. I needed like a 6mm Allen key, I think Allen wrench, to install the pedal. And I didn't have a big pedal wrench, of course, with me. Not a bad idea to carry one, I guess, but it actually attaches with the big Allen key. I didn't have a big Allen key with me, so. Oh. All right. So anyway, if I keep going straight, I'm going to enter a section of the park that is not plowed because it's closed to, again, automobile traffic. There's nobody behind me. So I guess my thought is to make a right here and go take Lindell Boulevard back the way whence I came. Oh my. I would actually be zipping up my neck a little better if it weren't for you guys in the microphone. I'm honestly keeping myself a little colder because I want to try to get better audio. Oh, nobody behind me still. It's good because I'm going real slow. Doesn't look like they really plowed this street, which means they're gonna have to hoof it, which means riding. Actually, we're doing it. We did it. How about that? Okay. This actually is really good right here. Yeah. Feel it. It's smooth. It's so smooth. Yeah. We're doing it. Okay. Woo. Oh my. All right, it's getting deep again. And there are railroad tracks somewhere around here, so I gotta be careful. No one behind me? All right. Oh man. Okay. Oh man, I thought Lindell would be plowed. It's not even really plowed. I mean, it looks like there's some cars that aren't having that much trouble though. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to take the trail since it's undisturbed snow here. It's just gonna be difficult because I have to push through it. So it just takes more power. More leg power. Using that leg power. I think I see a runner straight ahead. Up a ways in the distance. Not sure why he's running on the foot or the wheel path here. Oh, okay. I can't even tell if I'm on the grass or not. Whew. All right. Here we go. Nice and easy. Oh. All right. All these little freaking little foots, these little footies on the trail are not good for the bike tire. Ah. Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it. Cutting through the snow. Cutting through the snow. Woo! Oh my. It's like going up a very long hill. Good exercise. Just not a lot of speed. So I am wearing my fancy pants. So I'm staying pretty warm. Whoa. Okay. That was a little slip right there. Now see if we can get started again. All right. It's just all these little feet everywhere. These little footprints. That's not a frickin' footprint. Okay. All right. There we go. Little birdies. Whoa, there we go again. We're losing it. Oh man. So, let's try going over here, honestly. Because, honestly, it might be better. This is the footpath, I think. Though you can't even see it. Everyone's running on the wheel path. Let's try this. The ground is gravel, I think, right here. So we might have a little more traction, actually. You can't even tell, can you? Just like all snow. I'm climbing out of the saddle, by the way, so I'm slipping a little. It takes a little bit of determination and focus. I'm trying to stay focused here on the BikeBlogger channel. Oh my. So yeah, could I be doing a lot better if I was on the road with the cars? Sure. Would I be in worse shape if I wiped out on the road with all the cars? Sure. Whew. So we're taking the trail. Oh no, a little footpath, little footprints. I must say, I'm going to get on the road after this, though. This is a lot of workout. All right, cranking it up a little bit here. How fast am I going? Let me know in the comment section below. Dang, not very fast. Not very fast. This would be hard even if there weren't snow, because it's like I don't even know where I am. I might be riding my bike on the grass. Woo. Yeah, so it's cold, but that's not the that's not the biggest problem right now. Biggest problem is the snow. It's a lot of work. I don't even really feel that cold anymore. Getting a good workout in. Oh my. Okay. Alright, it's getting real deep. What is going on here? A little snowdrift. Maybe BikeBlogger's just getting tired. Getting near the end here. I mean, we're getting near the crossroad, I think. Oh my. Oh, paddle, BikeBlogger, paddle. Hey, another cyclist. Wow. That's so cool. Woo. Hey. What? Yeah. Snowy. All right, so there you go. I'm not that extreme. Where did the trail go? I have no idea. This way, maybe? I think I'm like so far off the trail here. Oh, dang it. Over here. I think this is the trail. Whew. I've been working my way through the snow for a while now. I don't know how long the video's been going. All right. Here we go. Yeah, we were off the trail there for a little bit. All right. Woo-wee. It'll be so much nicer to get on the road. Oh my. All right. We made it. We did it. Woo. Back to the road. The little footprints disappeared. There's a trail from the other biker. Wow. He has fat tires, I think, on his bike. Those tire tracks are much wider than mine. Whew. Whew. All right. Good work. We did it. Back to the road. Oh my. So blizzard or no blizzard? No blizzard. This is not a blizzard. I don't know what that guy's doing. All right. There we go. Oh my. Woo-wee. All right, it's not quite as hard right here. Oh. Wow, snow everywhere. Snow everywhere. Oh, yeah. Whew. All right. All right, we're gonna cross the road here when safe to do so. I'll wait for all the traffic first though. Yeah, my grip is actually coming off of my bike here. Slipping around for reasons I don't know. Go a little further. There we go. Whew. Wow. For just a second there, I had a little trail, a little pavement. Woo-wee. All right, now maybe I can get on the road. Trying to get past all the cars. Oh, very snowy. Oh, see, there's just like a line of cars there. and I want to get across the road. We're gonna have to wait until we get a little bit of a break here. Let's just sit on our bike here for a second. All right, crossing the road now. It's the other side. Ooh wee. Okay. It is so snowy. Oh my. Well, anyway, thanks for coming along with me on this bike ride today in the snow. Please leave a comment in the section below. Give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the future BikeBlogger video. Bye-bye. Woo. BikeBlogger.